will continue to say and reiterate, it's a forever practice. And here's one of the reasons why. You are a neophyte. And right now your move repertoire is like this big compared to the potential repertoire. As you expand your repertoire, because you're human, you have a limited time in your life when you can practice. And because you have a limited amount of time when you can practice, there's a limited number of things that you can practice. And over time, if you don't set aside time to, so this is this thing I called use it or lose it. You want to start, and I would recommend you start immediately, making a spreadsheet list of moves that you know, that you want to keep revisiting. And in fact, if there was a video that helped you, I would put a link to that video in the spreadsheet so that you can go back and reference it later if you've forgotten the move. And or if there's a time where you used it in flow that you really liked and you want to maintain that, I would also put that in the spreadsheet so that you have a reference to you doing it, because seeing yourself do it can really help you reconnect with what you once felt about it. So I think this challenge with having an infinite number of things to do leaves us in a position where, well, life is finite, time is finite, practice time is whatever it is, longer for some things, shorter for other things, but I've never really met a person who didn't practice at all. I'm not gonna say there's no way, you never know, there's like superhuman people who can do things incredibly where they can, I have met people who can look at a move and execute it within 5 tries. I have seen that. I'm not that person. I'm really happy for them. I'm not that person. So for normal mortals like me, or muggles trying to be masterful, what we really need to be doing is remembering that if you don't spend the time practicing something, you're gonna lose it. No, it's kind of like vocabulary. If you don't use the word, you don't necessarily remember what the word means. So this is your Poi vocabulary. So I recommend a Poi vocabulary worksheet.